So hello everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques again. So guys, in this video I'll be discussing about the PwC Off-Campus Drive 2021. So PwC is hiring for the role of Associate Technology Consultant. It's for the Bangalore location. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates. And recently we discussed about the Infosys off-campus or the mass hiring recruitment. And don't forget to watch this video and apply for the Infosys off-campus because the last date to apply for this Infosys off-campus is 7th November 2021. And also we have discussed about the TCS aptitude MCQ questions, about the NCR off-campus, about the TCS last minute interview preparation guide, IBM, and the Wipro off campus, etc, etc. So I'll be putting the latest off campus drives link in the description of this video, and apply for the other off campus drive as well. And yeah, one more thing, right now the Relevel has announced about the leaderboard details, here every month people are getting the exciting prizes and also the job opportunities. So you need to you can apply for the other companies many companies through this platform, and there is no restriction or the towards the experienced freshers can also apply, and the age limit is from the 18 plus from to the 14 years candidates can apply. And for business development executive profile you can get minimum 4 LPA, and for the front end back end profile you can get 6 up to 6 minimum 6 LPA and maximum 15 to 16 LPA you can get. So this is all about the Relevel platform. The registration link is there in the description of this video. Just you need to provide your phone number, the OTP will be sent, and you can take the test and get a job as per your scores. So now let's discuss about the PwC off campus. So it's a advisory line of service is the advisory. There are many kinds of services, or the line of services are there, like advisory and the consulting or the audit, etc. There are many things, and the job was posted yesterday, and the last date to apply for this off campus is the 5th November 2021. Yeah, it's very early, only 5 days left for the last date. So you need to apply as soon as possible. This is the requirement ID or the requisition ID, and if you are getting any referral, or the people or the PwC company or the employee is willing to refer you, then you need to provide this reference ID or the the requisition ID to get the reference. So now let's discuss about the key things or the education. So there are no specific education or the mandatory education required for this off campus, because it's a blank or NA you can say. Any qualification background candidates can apply, any branch candidates can apply. And what will be your profile here or the responsibility here? Invite and give the movement of feedback in a constructive manner, share and collaborate with effectively with the others, identify and make suggestions to the improvement and problems or the opportunities area, handle manipulate and analyze data and information repository. Yeah, one more thing. If you are thinking that it's this profile is non-IT or the non-technical field, then you are wrong. It's a technology, because if you see here they have mentioned technology consulting, and basically you will be dealing with the data like AWS, Azure kind of thing, basically Azure service only. You'll be dealing with the leading what I can say, the leading the leading technologies will be dealing with. If you see here they mentioned also like Azure and Office 365, Dynamics 365. These are the key things or the tools they are using right now in order to support the cloud things. And other profile here I need to I'm suggesting all of you to apply for the other profiles as well, because these are the relevant profiles you can apply for. So because it's a free of cost, you can apply for the associate profile, and also it is a advisory profile you can apply. The same thing, if you see here, same thing, the candidates those who are not willing to join the Bangalore location, they can apply for this profile as well, because here they have provided for different locations opportunity: Bangalore, Kolkata, Pune and Delhi. Okay, so if people are willing to join the Delhi location, then they can join, or Pune, etc. Whatever you want, you can join. And specifically, if you are willing to join the Bangalore location, then you can apply for this. Otherwise, you can apply. I have suggest all of you to apply for both the profiles. Okay. So the links will be there in the description of this video. Make sure you apply for this off campus. Application process is simple. Just need to join their Workday portal, autofill with resume, apply manually, or use my last application. So I suggest all of you to choose this one, autofill with resume. After importing your resume from your local device or from your cloud like Google Drive and all, automatically it will fetch all the things or the basic details, experience, qualification and all, whatever you mentioned in your resume, and you can apply for this off campus. So the link is there in the description of this video. Go through the link and apply for this off campus before it gets expired. So if you have any doubts regarding this off campus, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below. Okay, so thank you for watching and all the best for your job.